Hi guys, Link from Gardening Express here, and today I wanted to do a quick planting tutorial and styling video on a fire border. Now we kind of associate warmer colours with seasons like autumn, so a lot of your reds and oranges often come out when you see the leaves turn, but it's really nice to get that kind of bright and vibrant colour in spring as well. So what I have here is a selection of fire coloured plants. We've got some reds, we've got some yellows, and we've got some beautiful deep oranges as well, and we're going to put these in our bed in a little spot that I've got in my garden that needs a little bit of love, and give this a really nice fiery colour palette. Now what we've got here is a nice range of spring plants. We've got some erysimums here, and we've got this in orange glow and yellow glow. So these two here looking lovely, and they're in flower. These are early spring varieties of plants, so you'll get them, obviously they're now in flower right now. We've also got something that's coming into flower, which is our geum, and this is a Mrs. Bradshaw, and this comes out in a much redder colour, which is really lovely. It hasn't flowered just yet, but it will as these come to almost to an end, so that we get a nice range and we can spread those flowering out for a little bit longer. We've got a lovely bit of height here. This is the Geum Lady Strathodon. Now this is almost like a yellowy orange colour, and you can see now that it's just starting to come into bud. But I've picked this one because it's got a lovely bit of height to it as well. So we're going to get this planted, and you guys can see just what you can achieve with some really nice fire tones. Now as you can see, I've dug out my beds, and I've got this lovely blank strip with a few bits of greenery in, ready to plant these plants. Now I've laid these out in the order that I want them. I've put the tallest geum at the end, as it's got a lovely bit of height, and that's the corner of my patio. And then I've created an alternating colour scheme because I like a little bit of a pattern, to be honest. So now it's time to get planting. Garden gloves at the ready, set, plant. That is as easy as can be. I've also added a fresh layer of compost on top of my bed, as it's a little bit shallow, and I also want to make sure that the plants have plenty of nutrients. If you've liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends. See you guys next time.